out of the garage. Christmas Day. And we did all our running around and unwrapping presents, and kids are in the house. They are older now anyway. Wife's in the house relaxing. So I decided to come out in the shop and work on some of my stuff for a change. So I got this little tractor. I don't know if you guys seen it in my previous videos. It's down at the dump and it was ready to crush it with the bucket loader. So I ran over and saved it. It's a Rugg carpet cut. It's got 8 horse Briggs and Stratton on it. And when I first got it, I put new points, another coil, got it running, cleaned the carburetor, and the carburetor was pretty nasty, but it still ran. So I brought it back in. I bought a new carburetor for it, and I had to fix the recoil, put a new rope on it, put a new recoil spring in it, which is a mess over here. And new recoil spring, a new this is the old handle. It's starting to dry rot and crack. So I had some of those. I put one on. New spark plug, and it runs pretty good. The only problem with it is the governor's not working. Something broke inside the engine. So what I did, I just modified the throttle a little bit so it don't go wide open, and I can just control it by the throttle. As you can see, that's idle. I'm going to bring the throttle all the way up, and it just comes off just a little bit, just opens it up a little bit. So let's see if I can start it for you guys. Pretty good. Maybe I'll fix that governor once I take the motor off. Rip it apart and fix it. But I think I'm going to restore it. I just wanted to get it running good, make sure everything worked before I tore it apart and started getting it ready to redo. And it does have a blade on it, and it does cut. The blade's pretty tired, but that's going to get all redone. So yeah, it's gonna be a neat little tractor. I'm gonna try to tape up the original stickers. I'll tape that all up when I paint the hood. I can paint the motor black and redo the tranny like a aluminum color. And I'm thinking, I don't know, do I do orange again? I mean, I got so many orange tractors. I got my Jacobsons, my Country Squire. Seems like all the old tractors I get are orange. So I don't know. It's not a big deal if I do original, or maybe I do like a nice hot rod paint job on it. Have any suggestions, let me know. It's going to be probably a couple months before I tear it all apart. I'm just tired of looking at the orange. And like I said before in my videos, I'm not a guy that's got to restore stuff right to the original color, factory specs. And there it is. And I'm going to get this off the lift and clean my tools up a little bit. And I'm going to bring in a couple chainsaws that I got. Older chainsaws. I'll show you guys. A couple old Homelites and an old hedge trimmer that I got from my dad's house. So, just fooling around in the shop. Christmas afternoon. Beautiful out. No heat. Sun's out. It's probably like 45 degrees. I'll be back. Okay, so I found this at my dad's. On the bottom of a pile of old chainsaws. Black & Decker heavy duty hedge trimmer. Looks like model number 43013. 10, I guess that is. It's hard to see. So yeah, I didn't do nothing to it. I just brought it, put it in a vise, and we're gonna plug it in and see if it works. I was just looking at the cord. The cord looks pretty nice. So got an extension cord here. Get it plugged in. Okay, here we go. It's just got an on and off switch. No safety switches on this thing. Turn it on, turn it off. Blades don't look bad. Caution sticker. So yeah, I don't know. If it works, that's great. If it don't, I don't care. It's just gonna be a wall hanger. So, okay, you guys ready? Let's see if we can make smoke come out of it. Yeah, pretty nice. Runs good, actually. I'm surprised. Switch is a little funny. Okay, there you go. I don't know what year it is. Probably can find out by the model number or something. I just seen it there. I said I gotta bring it home. Okay, guys. Let's keep going. Hey guys, I'm going to take you up to the other storage. Working on a couple four-wheelers, ATC. Got to get a carburetor for that 200X. ATC I got running pretty good. And I got to fix that tractor. But today's Christmas, so I'm messing with my own stuff. Got the wheel horse out because I had to take the other tractor out. The bikes and the dune buggy in there all covered up. Here's all my tractors in here. Waiting for the snow. Got my snow blower ready. Jacobson Chief. Rat Rod. Country Squire. Got an MTD back there that someone gave me that broke a belt, and it's in really good shape, so I didn't want to leave it outside. Got some weed eaters and hedge trimmers and stuff up there that I got to get running this spring, and I'm going to sell them. And in that wooden box, which I can get to it, I'll open it up and I'll show you guys what I got in there. I got some engines in there and some stuff from my dad's in that box. But today we're going to go back here. This box here, which miscellaneous stuff. Still got a Cub Cadet snowblower attachment. If anybody's looking for one, get in touch with me. If you're close to where I'm at, I'll let that go really cheap. And in this box, in these 2 boxes, 4 parts. And some tires, a couple engines. But we want to go into the other box. That's what we're going to get. One of my Homelite. Chainsaw there. Homelite 240. And another Homelite 240. And I got one more down in the shop. Let me get these down to the shop and we'll be back. So we got a Homelite Super EZ. This one hasn't ran in a long time. Homelite XL. Then my Homelite 240s. One here and one there. This one actually runs. I pulled this out of my father's shop. I give it a little gas, in it, give it a choke, and things started right up. I was surprised. Only thing I got to fix, you know, of course I'm going to give it a little tune-up, but someone put a booger end on the spark plug, so I got to put a regular end on that. But these other 3, they don't run, so I'm just going to clean them up today and see what I got. So, let me get the phone set up. I will see if this 240 here will start. I started it probably, I don't know, probably about a month ago. So hold on, let me get the phone set up. Okay, let's see if we can get this started. And if I do, I'm not going to run it long because it is Christmas. I don't want to bother the neighbors too much. Let me just see if we can get a switch is on, choke is on. There you go. Doesn't need a tune-up. You know, I'm going to fix that spark plug wire. Change the fuel filter, air filter, spark plug. Sharpen the blade. And this one will be good. And I'm sure it's not going to take much to get these 3 running. So I'm going to just clean them up today. See what I'm going to need. And then go from there. So I'll put another video out once I get them running or start working on them. And please let me know what you think I should do as far as painting this tractor here. That's going to be my next project for myself as far as the restore. So, okay guys, thanks for watching. Another routine. Hit the subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you like my videos. If you don't like my videos, you can hit the thumbs down. Please just let me know in the comments why you give me a thumbs down. And Merry Christmas to everybody. And I'll see you on the next one.